Welcome to Design with Miyoshi. We're going to do one more assembly with the trailer. This time we're just going to put the trailer and sub-assembly, a trailer assembly and the cab assembly all together.
But first, I want to thank Northwest Technical Products for sponsoring this video. If you are part of an educational institution in Washington, Alaska, Oregon, Idaho, or Montana, contact Northwest Technical Products for all your SolidWorks and other technical needs. Thanks, Andrew, and all the crew at Northwest Technical Products. We're going to start, of course, with the assembly, new assembly. And I'm going to go ahead and put the cab in first. So where's my semi-cab assembly? Semi-assembly right there. So there's my cab. And I'm going to go ahead and make sure I put it in the, oopsie. Yeah, I'll click over here, and I'll go to View and Hide Show and Origins. I'll click over here, and I'll make sure it's on the origin. There we go, snap right to the origin. Remember, don't try to get, and see there's a bunch of origins there. I want to just move my mouse to the origin, and then we have it. And then I'm going to go ahead and insert component. And the component I'm going to bring in is the semi-trailer assembly. That's trailer assembly. There's the whole thing. I'll bring that in, and I'll just put it over here. There we go. Again, the wheel is a middle mouse. That works really well. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'll just pull this up a little bit, and I will do some mates. So the mate I want first. Oops, it's trying to grab that side. I don't want the side. The mate I want first is just the bottom face here, and the face here. It's probably not the first one I want, but that coincidence is good. If I was actually going to put this together for real, that's not the first mate, because then I would have, I can't lift this up. But now the next mate, and the only mate left, is this cylinder here, and that cylinder there. We want them concentric. Hit OK. And now there is my beautiful trailer and semi all together. That's it. Pretty simple. And again, if you wanted to make the trailer bigger or the cab bigger, anything like that, you could do that. And obviously, I didn't put doors on the back there. That would be probably the next thing I would do. So there is your tractor trailer 18-wheeler. Well, this only has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It only has 10 wheels because there's not double wheels on each of those places. But here's our little model of a simple tractor trailer rig. And last thing I'm going to do, of course, is we're going to save this up. We have to make sure we save this. So we'll do tractor, semi, and trailer assembly. We'll just call it that. I am not going to go ahead and make an exploded view, except maybe, let's just make a quick one. We're just going to do, I don't want the sub-assembly part selected. I'm just going to go ahead and grab this part. And we're just going to pull it out here. That's good enough. And we'll make it, 3 inches maybe instead. There we go. That looks beautiful. And I'll just hit OK. And then I'll do save. Then I'll go ahead and make my drawing. Make drawing from assembly. Now, all I really want to do, this is just to show off a little bit about my drawing. I'll just go ahead and put my isometric exploded in there. Then we'll make it a little bigger. I'll go ahead and change my sheet scale, because I'm not going to put any, well, we can do that. Let's do that too. Go to properties, and let's make it a quarter. There we go, that's more beautiful. And all I'm going to do is go ahead and put my bill of materials. I like that. I'll just have a bill of materials. Oops, my view. And top level only. That'll be fine. So it should give me, there we go, semi-assembly and trailer assembly. I'll put that in there. Right click on that, delete column, and I'll drag this with the across the arrows right over the corner. It's beautiful. And then, of course, I'll just do a quick auto balloon. And there it is. I just have my 2 parts, my trailer and my tractor, and I can move this guy around. Let's move this over here instead. There we go. Beautiful. Okay. Right click on sheet format 1, edit sheet format, zoom in over here, control middle mouse, name, all caps, date. Name of my design firm. And I can make that the size I need it. And the title. I'm going to put something with it. Oopsie. There we go. There, right click on sheet format and do edit sheet. Zoom out a bit so I can see it better. There's my beautiful drawing for my tractor trailer rig. Hit save, semi-trailer assembly, hit OK, or save. And then, of course, I'm going to do a save as. And it'll save as PDF. There we have it. The last part of my tractor trailer rig, the model, the assembly and the drawing. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time on Design with Miyoshi.